off the right thing.
You got the Angry Birds from Sava, Josh, and Miss Jules.
Skittles.
Oh, he likes them Skittles.
Oh.
Yeah.
You guys picked the right thing.
Oh my
Skittles.
goodness.
He does not like chocolate. He likes fruity, so.
You guys nailed it on that.
Yeah. All right, let's see what's in there, dude.
Chuck E. Cheese cake.
Is there a card in there?
Whoa.
Angry Birds backpack.
Let me see.
The Angry Birds backpack.
Cool.
There's a card.
A card? I should.
What does the card say?
To my little boy, we all love you. 2016.
Sweet.
I should rip it now?
Yes, you may.
No, kind of funny. Should I rip it now? Today you are the chosen one.
Yeah, I know you love Kung Fu Panda.
Kung Fu Panda 3.
Do you want me to read?
Chosen to have the most awesome birthday ever.
Do you want me to read it for you?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to read what Daddy wrote. He says, happy birthday to my sweet son. You are truly a special little boy. You changed my life for the better in every way. You mean more to me than I could ever express. And I often thank God for giving me such a sweet, funny, and smart son. Your mother and I know for a fact is so proud of you, like we all are. I love you forever, Dad. And I wrote, happy birthday, Kai Boogie. You have gotten to be so big before my eyes. You are so smart and kind. I love you now and always. Love, Miss Bree. And then Savion says, I wish you a happy birthday, Cairo. Love you, man.
What's else in here?
Oh.
Angry Birds Star Wars.
Oh.
Only on Wii U.
Oh, wow.
Angry Birds Trilogy. On PS3.
Trilogy. Yep.
On PS3.
That one looks like it's going to be fun. Maybe we can all play that one together.
I already got that on my Wii.
You got that one? Okay, well, I'll keep it then. Thank you.
But you can play it with the Move controller.
What's that?
But this one's for the PS3.
Yeah, you can use the Move controller
Oh,
with it.
Angry Birds puzzles. Angry Birds puzzles.
Do you like that one?
Yeah.
You like puzzles.
It's an ultra foil.
Pretty
Still
cool. Pretty cool.
Sorry, Mama. It's that.
What you tell Miss Bree?
Thank you.
Give
That
Miss
was
Bree.
from all of us. That was from me, Savion, Dad. That was from all of us. You're very welcome.
Ooh, what's here?
Oh, let's find out. Is there a card?
Bree, give me Legos. I got them.
Aha!
Oh, okay.
Spider-Man.
I can get him something different.
Okay.
He literally got both of those already.
Spider-Man.
Pretty cool.
Oh, that's going to be so much fun. We might have to do that one outside, though, okay?
Not around here because it can fly up and down the roof.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll take it to the park or something. What's that?
What's on there?
Where is that? No, just a receipt.
You usually don't get that in the bag, but hey.
I'm not sure.
We got today.
Oh, this was just a receipt from Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay.
Cheese.
Ah, a picture of Shanti, huh?
Yeah, him and Shanti took a picture together.
Oh.
Say thank you for coming.
That look on her face.
You mean on my face?
Both of you.
Yeah, they both look so
They
silly.
didn't know where to look.
That's funny.
Can you say thank you, cousin Shanti and Auntie?
Thank you, cousin Shanti and Auntie.
Look at me and say it.
Thank you, cousin Shanti and Auntie.
Say thank you, everyone,
Thank you, everyone,
for coming to my party.
for coming to my party.
I love you.
I love you.
Thanks, everyone.
See
we
you-
appreciate
everyone. We miss you too.
See you next year.
Say deuce.
Deuce.
See you next year.
See you next year.